Buying USDT on Binance with PayPal is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy USDT on Binance with PayPal. So for that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google and I'm going to search for Binance. And I'll go to this website, which is binance.com. Now here you have to click on this login. What it will do is it will want you to log into your account first. You just need to log in. After logging into your account, you will see a page something like that. Now here you simply have to click on this deposit, and here you have to click on this buy crypto. Now here, as you guys can see, there are 3 steps that they want you to do. You need to verify your account first. Currently in my case, my account is not verified. So you just need to put your amount, the amount of USDT you want to buy. So I'm just going to select USDT right here, and I'm going to click how much USDT I want to buy. Suppose I want to buy $15 worth of USDT. I'm going to select that, type that, and I'm going to click on this verify and buy. Now here they want me to verify the account, but in your case, it should take you to the checkout or the payment option. And these are the payment method that you can use. You can use your card, your cash balance, your online banking, your bank transfer, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. So it totally depends upon you. You just need to select the suitable one according to you. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.